You've got the knowledge, you've got the passion, but how do you turn those into a profitable online tutoring business? This is a question that many aspiring online tutors grapple with. There's no denying that starting an online tutoring business comes with its share of challenges. Firstly, finding students may seem like finding a needle in a haystack, especially in a digital world brimming with information and tutors. Secondly, crafting engaging content that not only educates but also captivates your students can be a complex task. It's not just about imparting knowledge, it's about making learning a joyful experience. Finally, setting competitive prices can be a tricky balancing act. You don't want to undervalue your skills and time, but you also don't want to drive potential students away with exorbitant prices. Overcoming these challenges might seem daunting, but with the right approach, you can start a thriving online tutoring business. The first step to starting your online tutoring business is to identify your niche. Why is this so critical? Well, the world of online tutoring is vast, offering a plethora of subjects to teach and a variety of age groups to cater to. This can feel overwhelming, and it's easy to think that casting a wide net will increase your chances of catching more students. However, the key to success lies not in being a jack of all trades, but in specialization. When you focus on a specific subject or age group, you're able to hone your skills, deepen your knowledge, and present yourself as an expert in that field. This not only sets you apart from the competition, but it also helps attract the right students, those who are looking for exactly what you have to offer. This is the beauty of identifying your niche. It's about finding your unique corner in the market and owning it. Once you've identified your niche, you're ready to move on to the next step, creating engaging content. The key to a successful online tutoring business is engaging content. Now, let's dive into how you can breathe life into your lessons. First off, interactive activities are your best friend. They actively involve your students in the learning process, making your lessons more dynamic and fun. You might want to consider quizzes, puzzles, or even creative tasks related to your subject. Next, don't shy away from using real-world examples. They give your lessons a practical edge, making them more relevant and relatable. Whether you're teaching mathematics or English literature, there's always a way to connect your subject to everyday life. Finally, incorporate multimedia resources into your lessons. Videos, images, and audio clips can break up text-heavy content and aid in comprehension. They can also cater to different learning styles, making your lessons more inclusive. With engaging content, you'll not only attract students, but also keep them coming back for more. Now that you've got engaging content, it's time to set your prices. This is a critical step in ensuring the profitability of your online tutoring business. When setting your prices, there are several factors to consider. First, do some market research. What's the going rate for similar services? You don't want to price yourself out of the market, but you also don't want to undersell your services. Next, take into account your experience and qualifications. If you're a seasoned professional with a wealth of knowledge, your prices should reflect that. Conversely, if you're just starting out, you may want to set lower rates until you establish a reputation. Lastly, consider the value you provide. Are your lessons uniquely engaging or tailored to individual needs? If so, that's added value, and your prices should reflect it. By setting competitive prices, you can ensure your online tutoring business is profitable. The final step to starting your online tutoring business is promotion. Now, you may be wondering, how do I get the word out about my business? Well, there are several strategies you can employ. One of the most effective methods is leveraging social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are excellent avenues for showcasing your expertise and connecting with potential students. Another strategy is to engage in local networking events. This can be particularly beneficial if you're tutoring in a specific subject area or catering to a local clientele. Meeting people face-to-face and making personal connections can really set you apart from the competition. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Satisfied students are your best advocates. Encourage them to spread the word about your services, perhaps even offering a referral discount as an incentive. With effective promotion, you can attract students and start making money with your online tutoring business.